You know that these neurons contains the different types of the dendrites and axons. The sensory neurons contains only one dendrite and one neuron. This is the structure of the sensory neuron. Then motor neurons contains the many dendrites and only one axon. Interneurons contains the many dendrites but many type of axons. Means in interneurons many type of dendrites and many type of axons are present. This structure shows the interneurons which contains the different many type of axons and dendrites. And motor neurons, the structure which we discussed previously, this structure is also the structure of the motor neuron. And what is dendrite and axon? Dendrites carry the message towards the cell body in the form of the nerve impulses, and axons carry message away from the cell body in the form of the nerve impulses. Then nerve. Union of the several axons is known as the nerve, which is covered by a lipid layer. Means the covering of the nerves is also made up by the lipid cells. Nerves also classified into three forms: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and internerves. Internerves is also known as the mixed nerves. Sensory nerves contains the sensory axons. Means sensory nerves contains the axons of sensory neurons. Motor nerves contains the axons of motor neurons. But interneurons contains the both sensory and motor neurons. Axons of. We discuss in definition the nerve cells. What is nerve? Nerve, union of the several type of axons. And on the basis of the axons presence, we describe the nerve into the three forms: sensory neurons, sensory nerves, motor nerves, and internerves. Students, see your book, nerve cells or neuron. This is the definition of nerve impulse, nerve growth factor. And here, ganglion. What is ganglion? The part of the body, in the certain parts of body, the cell bodies of many neurons is grouped in the form of the enveloped membrane. So that this enveloped membrane is known as the ganglion. Here also see the practical. This practical, observe the contraction of the shin muscles of frog using a DC current of 12 volt. Shin muscle. What is shin muscle? The part between the ankle and the knee is known as the shin, and the muscles which are present in the shin area is known as the shin muscles. The apparatus which is used is the dissecting frog, petri dish, methylene blue solution, 12 volt battery with wires. In this procedure, firstly we dissected a frog, and then we take the shin muscle and place a battery of 12 volt, and the shin muscles take in the petri dish, and the wires which are attached with the battery taken in the petri dish, so these muscles shows this contraction. This is all about today our topic. Thank you, class.